In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Typeform questions, structure, and logic as a JSON file. Now, this might be something you're looking to do if you want an enriched view of how your form is set up, without having to dive into individual responses. While you can't export this data directly to PDF or Excel through Typeform, this approach will help you by creating a structured format that's versatile for other applications. First, you'll need to log into your Typeform account. Once you're in, take a look at the top left corner of your screen, where you'll find your profile avatar. Give that a click. This will open a menu with several options, but what we're focusing on today is labeled Admin Settings. Selecting this will transition you to a different section of the platform. Now you're in the Admin Settings area. Here, you'll come across a variety of settings, but our aim is under the section termed Data Portability. This is specifically where all features related to exporting your data reside. You'll see an option that says Request Zip. When you click on this, you're essentially asking Typeform to compile your form data into a package that you can download. After you've requested the zip file, it won't be available immediately. You'll need to check your email for a message from Typeform. They will send you an email containing a download link for this zip file. So, keep an eye on your inbox and make sure the email doesn't end up in your spam folder. Once it arrives, open the email and download the zip file onto your device. Inside the zip file, you'll find each of your forms exported as a JSON file. This JSON file contains all the critical elements of your Typeform: questions, choices, logic, and settings. This format is especially useful if you need to transfer these elements into another application or if you desire to programmatically structure or analyze your data. One important thing to note is that this method doesn't offer a direct path to exporting to Excel or PDF. However, the JSON structure is comprehensive and ideal for developers or for those who plan to use supplementary tools to convert this data into other formats. So, there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully acquired the JSON representation of your Typeform setup, offering you a flexible foundation for whatever your next step might be. This method is particularly useful for archiving, or if you're planning to leverage other platforms or tools to enhance your data analysis. Thank you for following along, and I hope this has made the export process clearer for you.